Let's make a few teaching learning materials. You can choose one cardboard or any chart paper. I have found this paper from inside a new shirt packet and use this to make cards. See, with the help of a ruler, I have made markings on the paper and then trying to cut the paper in correct sizes to make alphabet and word cards. So basically it costs nothing, almost nothing. You can easily prepare these at home and use them for your child's benefit. One thing must be taken into consideration. You should consider to write print handwriting initially for your child to grasp easily. Closely observe how I am writing. Neat and good handwriting for the child to practice reading easily. This video is actually on preparing learning materials with the things available at home with almost no extra cost, so that you will be able to use these materials for teaching your children effectively. Now you saw how I made this teaching learning materials. So first we can teach two-letter words, like suppose first I will show this is A. The sound of A is A, and this is T. The sound of T is T. Together we will make the word at. I will keep it separate than C-A-T. The child will see C-A-T, but together we will make a word cat, hat, R says at, rat, at, mat. So in this way you can teach all the words, how to read these words. A, E, I, O and U. These are 5 vowels. The rest of the alphabet, for example B, C, D, F, G, these are called consonants. Now if I write I in, I says I, N says no, in. U, N. U says N says no. Then if I write S, S says so, no, sun. In the rhyming words, always the rhyming words end with the same sound. So sun, bun. G says gun. F says fur, fun, like this. End with the same sound. These are called rhyming words. Rhyming words. That means the words ending with the same sound. For example, if I write a 2-letter word, O says O, X, ox. Fox, box. So these 3 are called rhyming words. If I write pen, den, hen, these are rhyming words because these words end with the same sound, n. But is pen a rhyming word with pan? No, because pan is written like pan. I can write for pan, fan, man, those which end with the same sound. these can be rhyming words. Pan rhymes with fan, but pen rhymes with ten, den, hen, like this. In this way, you can easily make word cards at home and teach your child to read. First, you can give the instruction, rearrange the words to make correct sentences. So you jumble up all the words and ask your child. This is specially for a 6-year-old child, 5 to 6-year-old child. It is appropriate to make correct sentences. Everything is there, punctuation mark, question mark, full stop, everything is there, and he will choose correct words and make sentences. So you keep it before the child and give the instruction, rearrange the words to make correct sentences. First you can give cards, then in notebook, different ways of asking your child to learn how to make correct sentences. So suppose I'll write number 1, boy, is he. Number 2, mother, I, my, love. So after teaching them how to rearrange the words, word cards to make correct sentences, then you can encourage the child to write. And you should teach your child that a sentence must begin with a capital letter and you must put a full stop or question mark or exclamation mark at the end of a sentence. So he will write, he is a boy. Then in this sentence, mother, I, my, love, it is actually not a sentence. We have to make a sentence out of the words given. So I love my mother. Full stop. You can choose correct word cards and make a sentence. Suppose we will make, first we will write, say what, we will keep what, she, your. It doesn't make a good complete sense. So what, then is, then your name. What is your name? Then full stop. See how to make what is your name, then question mark. Then after, if the child is able to make the sentence correctly, you should reward him with a nice comment, well done, like this.